Hello world, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Today's topic is why learn computer science. Today I'm going to give you reasons why you should learn computer science. Note, computer science is not all about computer programming. As you shall see in the upcoming slides, computer programming is just a minute part of it. And you don't have to be good at math because it's more about logical thinking than math. What is computer science? Computer science is the study of computers and computational systems. Unlike electrical and computer engineers, computer scientists deal mostly with software and software systems. This includes their theory, design, development, and application. Principal areas of study within computer science include artificial intelligence, computer systems, networks, security, database systems, human-computer interaction, vision and graphics, numerical analysis, programming languages, software engineering, bioinformatics, and theory of computing. Computer is part of everything we do. According to the Associate of Computing Machinery, computer and computer technology are part of just about everything from cars we drive, movies we watch, the way business is done, and the way government runs, how we interact with friends and family. Expertise in computer science enables you to solve complex, challenging problems. Computing is a discipline that offers rewarding and challenging possibilities for a wide range of people, regardless of their range of interests. Computing requires and develops capabilities in solving deep, multidimensional problems requiring imagination and sensitivity to a variety of concerns. Knowledge in computer science is needed in nearly every type of industry that is out there. So much of computer science is practical, but that doesn't mean it's all heavily lifting and manual grunt work. You don't have to just learn and understand theories, you often get to make things, change things, and actually apply what you have learned everywhere. Every single day, people all over the world will use things that you will help create and you understand exactly how it all works. Next point. The skills in logic and problem solving will guide you for the rest of your life. What can I say? Computer science helps you think. Try and pick an argument with a computer scientist. I dare you. Logic and problem solving help in everyday life, and in computer science, you sharpen these skills every day. Computer science has so many fields that you can specialize in, such as computer graphics, software programming and development, web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, computer networking, cybersecurity, system administration, hardware engineering, information security analysis, database programming, and project management. Computing jobs are here to stay, regardless of where you are located. There are actually more computing jobs than qualified people to fill them in the US. Computing has a great potential for new jobs than any other field of study that is out there. Knowledge in computer science is changing the lives of so many people around the world, and it can change your life too. There's future opportunities in computer science are without boundaries. Computing is one of those fields where it's almost impossible to predict what will happen next. This is why we cannot even begin to imagine all the ways that you can make a contribution to it and it can make your lives work exciting and real. Computer science related jobs in big bucks, that is, they make a lot of money. It's one of the top paying jobs in the world. Computer skills are in high demand and their salaries reflect this. You can check out the Bureau of Labor Statistics and you can see the salary range of computer related jobs. Or you can go to Glassdoor salaries of computer related fields, or you can check in the salaries. You can see the salaries that computer related majors earn per year, especially in the US and around the world. Thank you so much for your priceless attention. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, 237i Coder.